Welcome. In this video tutorial, we'll explain how to use Flow-Xpress to compare parameter files from a module. A good practice when making changes in a Flow computer is to always retrieve the configuration and parameters and save those with a date time. At times, we may need to go back and revisit what was in a Flow computer before, or we may want to compare two different Flow computer parameter settings to see what the differences between those two Flow computers are. There's a couple different ways that we can do this. In this video, we'll explain how to open an older application, save the parameter file, and then connect to a live FlowX, pull in the parameter file, and then do a comparison between the two. First, let's open Flow-Xpress and then hit the Open File. Navigate to where you've saved the application and open the application. After the application is finished compiling, on the left-hand side, navigate to Parameters, and then look for the small Save icon in the toolbar. Click on Save, and in this instance, I already have a previous parameter that was saved, and I'm going to go ahead and overwrite that by clicking on it and hitting Save. So this is now the parameters out of the application that was archived some time ago. Now I'm going to click on the top right and go to the online mode. In the top left, there's an icon of a small FlowX. Hit Connect. And we'll now connect to the Flow computer we want to compare against. Enter the IP or connect to the device, and then we'll go ahead and read the parameters and the security file in after putting in the correct username and password. We now have a parameter file. I'll navigate back up to the Tools window, and now I'll hit the Open or Load parameters, select that file I had previously saved, and now when I hit Open, Flow-Xpress will pull in that parameter file and compare it against the one I just pulled in from the Flow computer. After it's done doing its comparison down the bottom, it will give the results, and it will show the differences between the new value and the device values. The new values are the values that were in the archived folder or the archive file, and the device values are what are in the FlowX. If I click on each one, it'll show me in the parameter section up top where the differences are, and if I click on Write Changes to Device, it will write all the changes down in the bottom window to the FlowX that is live. We hope you found this training video informative. For more information, please visit us at www.crt-services.com. On the website, in our support section, you will find download files for the FlowX, more informational videos, manuals, and the ability to enter support tickets into our system. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us,